So now, any logarithm can be written in terms of exponential. Now I want to be 32 in terms of 2. 2 power 5, 2 2s are 4. Cube root of 5 can be written as 5 power 1 by 3. X power 4 is 625, means 625 can be written as 5 power 4. So in the place of x I have log 1 value is 0. This is an alternate method or direct method. Log a plus log b can be written as log a into b. All the formulae we use. These two are like terms. Like the terms, if you subtract, you will get 0. Welcome to the session, dear students. Now we'll go ahead with the problems of logarithm of exercise. Exercise 4.1, one more questions. Express the following in exponential form. So now, any logarithm can be written in terms of exponential. They gave log base 981 is equal to 2. That implies what is the base here? 9. And RHS is 2. So 9 power 2 is 81. You know the expression I taught you. If you have log base a b is equal to x, then I can write a power x is equal to what? B. You can convert this to this and this to this. So what is the base? 9. So base 9. RHS is power and LHS will become the answer. Now 9 square. What is 9 square? 9 into 9 is 81. Same thing, we have log base 10, 0.01 equal to minus 2. So log base 10, 0.01 is equal to minus 2. You can write this as what? Base is 10, power RHS minus 2 is equal to what? 0.01. Yes, this is true. 10 power minus 2 is what? 1 by 100. 1 by 100 is what? 0.01. That's it. Then log base 2, 1 by 4 is minus 2. Log base 2 1 by 4 is minus 2. What is the base? 2. What is the RHS? Minus 2 is 1 by 4. This is also 2. 2 power minus 2 is 1 by 4, or this can be written as 1 by 2 square, 1 by 4. Next we have solve for x. What is meant by solving? Solving means finding the value of x. So now from this we need to find the value of x. So I can convert it. So they gave log base 2 root 32 they gave is equal to x. Now I need to find the value of x. This can be written as, what is the base here? 2 power RHS. What is RHS? X is equal to LHS root 32. Now law of indices. If I want x, I should make bases same. If bases are same, we can equate the powers. So here that is 2 power x is equal to 32 power half. That is 2 power x is equal to 32 can be written as 2 power 5 power half. Further 2 power x can be written as a power m whole power n is a power m into n. 5 into half is 5 by 2. Now the bases are same. If bases are same, equate the powers. So x is 5 by 2. That's it. So first I observed that root can be written as power half. Now I want to be 32 in terms of 2. 2 power 5, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. So I can write 32 as 2 power 5. Now it is a power m whole power n. A power m whole power n is a power m into n. So 5 by 2. Now bases are same. If bases are same, we can equate the powers. So equate the powers, x becomes 5 by 2. That's it. Next, log base 0.110 is equal to x. So now express it. So now what is the base? 0.1 power x is equal to what? 10. So now this is 10, but this is 0.1. 0.1 I can write it in terms of 10. So can I write point as 1 by 10? 1 by 10 power x is equal to 10. 1 by 10 is 0.1. Further this is 1 by 10. Can I write it as 10 power minus 1? Power x is equal to 10. All of you know 1 by a power m can be written as a power minus m. So 1 by 10 can be written as 10 power minus 1. 10 power minus 1 whole x is 10, or a power m whole power n is a power m into n, minus 1 into x is minus x is equal to 10. 10 means 10 power 1. Bases are same. Therefore minus x is equal to 1. Bases are same. Equate the powers. What is the power? Minus x. What is the power? 1. Minus x equal to 1. multiply by minus, so x, that implies what is x value? X is minus 1. That's it. Then we have log base cube root 5x is 6. They give log base cube root of 5 x is 6. This can be written as what is the base? Cube root of 5 power RHS 6 is what? X. Now simplify this direct. So this can be written as 5 power 1 by 3 cube root whole power 6 is equal to what? X. You know, cube root of 5 can be written as 5 power 1 by 3. Now it is in the form a per m whole per n. A per m whole per n can be written as a power m into n. So this can be written as 1 by 3 into 6 is equal to x. Now 3 ones are 3 twos are, it will become 5 square. 5 square is x. So 25 is x. Or therefore x value you got. What is x value? X value is exactly 25. Hope all of you got the value of x. Here cube root of 5 can be written as 5 power 1 by 3 whole power 6. First convert the logarithm to the exponential form. Then from the exponential make the bases same. Or here we have only one side base, so we will get the variable directly. Next, log base x 625 equal to 4. So log base x 625 is equal to 4. Now convert it. Can I write it as x, the base, power 4 is equal to 625. So now further, so x power 4 is 25 means what power 4 you will get? 625. You know 5 power 4 is 625. 5 5s are inspection, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 into 5 gives you 625. So therefore now powers are same, you can equate the bases. So x has to be 5. Powers are same, I am equating the bases. X power 4 is 625 means 625 can be written as 5 power 4. So in the place of x I have 5. Next, so 2 more questions. Find the value of log of root 9 by 4 minus log 3 by 2. We have to use the formula of log of root 9 by 4 minus log 3 by 2. Two methods. Direct. Can I write log? What is root 9? Root 9 is 3. Root 2, 4 is 2. Root you apply. Log 3 by 2 minus log 3 by 2 is 0 directly. Because both are like terms. And the other way of writing it is log a minus log b. Log a minus log b can be written as log a by b. I can write root 9 by 4 divided by 3 by 2. That is root 9 is what? 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. That is log 3 by 2, 3 by 2 cancels. 3 by 2, 3 by 2 cancels log 1. That is log 1 is what? 0. Log 1 value is 0. This is alternate method or direct method. Anything fine. Next. Prove that log base 7 by 8 plus log base 32 by 49 minus log base 4 by log 7 by 8 log 32 by 49 log 4 by 14 equal to log 2. They want you to prove it. Take LHS and use log formula. Two basic formulae. Log a by b can be written as log a minus log b. Log a minus b can be written as log a by b. Log a plus log b can be written as log a into b. All the formulae we use. So now we'll take LHS. In LHS I have log 7 by 8 plus log 32 by 49 minus log 4 by 14. I have taken LHS. All of you know log a plus log b. Log a plus log b is log a into b. So I can write it as log a into b. Log 7 by 8 into 32 by 49 minus log 4 by 14. Now further simplify this. Log 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32, 7 ones are 7 sevens are. So what is left out? Numerator I am left out with 4, denominator I am left out with 7, minus I have log 4 by 14, 4 by 14. So now it is log a minus log b. All of you know log a minus log b can be written as log a by b. I can write this as log a by b. Log a by b. A means 4 by 7 by divided by b means 4 by 14. I will simplify this. That will give me log 4 by 7 divided by, if it goes up it will become reciprocal, 14 divided by 4 Now simplify this. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 4 ones are 4 ones are. So what is left out? We are left out with what? Log 2. After you cancel, 1 into 2 is 2 divided by 1, that is log 2 by 1 is 2, log 2, this is RHS. Dear students, we used two formula. One is log A minus log B. In mathematics, log A minus log B can be written as log A by B. And one more formula, log A plus log B. Log A plus log B can be written as log A into B. Log A plus log B can be written as log A into B. So these are the two formats we used to derive. Next, prove that 2 log 3 by 5 plus 3 log 5 by 2 minus log 48 by 45 by 8 equal to 0. Again take LHS, use the formula, simplify and get the answer. So I'll take LHS. What is LHS? 2 log 3 by 5 plus 3 log 5 by 2 minus log 45 by 8. So now here log A plus log B, m log A. What is m log A? M log A can be written as what? Log A power m. The quotient comes as power. So here same thing we'll do. To take it up, I can write it as log 3 by 5 whole square. Similarly, I can write log 5 by 2. This quotient comes as power minus log 45 by 8. Now we'll simplify this. Log 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25 plus log 5 cube, 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125 by 2 cube is 8 minus log 45 by 8. Now log A plus log B. Log A plus log B can be written as log A into B. Log 9 by 25 into B means 125 by 8 minus log 4 by 8. So 45 by 8, sorry, log 45 by 8. Now further simplify, here both are divisible. So 25 ones are 25, 25 5s are 125. So whatever is left out, we'll write that. So what is the remaining term we have? We have log of, so we are left out with 9 5s are 45 divided by 8 ones are 8 minus log of 45 by 8. So now, see here log A minus log B is log A by B, no need to write that. These two are like terms, like the terms if you subtract you will get 0, that is RHS, hence the proof. Or if you do log A minus log B is log A by B, 45 by 8 by 45 by 8 cancels, it becomes log 1 is 0, one and the same. So dear students, today I have done problems where we will convert the logarithm to exponential and we will find unknown, and then I have done proofs. So please revise them, practice them and attend my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.